Hi, and welcome to this week's Thrifting Challenge haul video. Today I'm going to share with you what I found at the Vintage Bee in Blue Springs, Missouri. The Vintage Bee is part of Queen Bee Boutiques in Blue Springs, Missouri. It has two floors. The upper floor is the Queen Bee, and the bottom floor is the Vintage Bee. And in the Vintage Bee, you can find all sorts of things, but it kind of has more of a flea market feel, where you can buy some pre-loved items just like you can at flea markets. But they also have other items that they've created and made. Upstairs, you can kind of find more of your boutique items, clothing, candles. They really truly have any and everything you could want to buy in this store. And so here are some examples of some of the booths that you can find and the items that you can find in those booths. They even have a whole section downstairs that is clothing, nice clothing that you can purchase that have been pre-loved. Here is a really cute booth. I like how they styled this one. And like I said, it's just kind of similar to the Bass Armadillo in that you have some of these booths and they have some really nice pre-loved items. Here's another one, door to door, that I thought was really cute and just kind of wanted to highlight and show you. Downstairs, they also have this really nice plant vendor. And so they have all these potted plants, and then I want to say they have pop-ups on the weekends that you can come and talk to the people who own it. And then they also have these really nice outdoor garden metal decorative pieces that you can place inside of your garden. And here I thought this shirt was funny because it goes along with last week's theme, Mother Goose. But this little place is cute. They have mystery diamond painting kits, mystery puzzles, books, and when it comes to books, they have a wide variety. They have picture books for kids. They even have young adult book series, but they're all labeled by reading level and then genre. And so if you're in Blue Springs, I highly recommend popping into this booth and grabbing a little mystery book or puzzle or something fun to do. Alright, next I just wanted to highlight some strawberry finds that go along with this week's themes. This is a cute strawberry shortcake shirt. Here was a really cute tote bag that had strawberries printed on it. And I thought that was cute. I like the corduroy. And then in another booth, they had this little setup of some just kitchen items that are strawberry themed. This is a really cute felt purse in the clothing area that had a strawberry on it. And then there are these cute little napkin holders. Alright, so here is everything I have thrifted or found around my house. This first one is, I didn't even know Vanna White made yarn. And it was through Lion Brand, and then I think it helps the St. Jude's Children's Research, so I didn't realize this was a thing, but I found it at a Goodwill for $2.86. Here is a really pretty pink bowl, and I found this one at the Vintage Bee in Blue Springs, and this was $4.99. Then I bought these for the patterns. I wanted something for my strawberries, and I just couldn't find anything in adult clothes, which I, prefer to buy, so I have more fabric. But this was $1.60, and this one was $2.40. I've had this for a while. I got this at a flea market in Greenwood, and it's a strawberry basket. It was $1. And then here is what I found when I went through all my scrapbooking supplies. And so I have all of these little strawberry themed ones, and then I'll probably still pull some more that kind of just complement it. So that is what I thrifted this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please continue watching if you guys want to see how I use these materials to complete my weekly thrifting challenge. This week's theme is strawberries, and I will share that video hopefully with you on Friday. If you guys like this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.